Edia bena menya enianu Edia bena menya 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 Wati Semi weja puya sim weja padie nyina Semi warrior sim sekampi nyina Oh na miriu me cry dear mena menya. My voice is rusty today. My brothers and sisters, I said, if I gain the whole world, the new cars, the newest gadgets, the most expensive phone, the most expensive shoes, and I lose my soul, what have I gained? What have I gained? Sami warrior say Japadi nina edanya kesiye. Na sami warrior sim se campaign nina na me you me cry Edia bena menya. My voice is rusty today. I said, if I gain it all and I lose my soul, what have I gained? What have I gained? The system that crashes every now and then, the system that crashes at least every 10 years, you will see recession. It will wipe everything away. They will tell people to come and save money. They will tell people to come and save RRSP. Come and do, what do you call it? 401k. This K. This is that. And people will run, thinking they will make money. And then they will say, oh, today there is war here. The money reduced. Tomorrow, there is a problem in India. Something happened. Money is gone. Oh, your 401k. What a joke. Ewiase. Semi warriase. Ejapadi nina. Oh na. Me you me cry. Dear Nena Menya. My voice is rusty. Pardon me. When I was a child, the most noble thing for me in the world was to be a monk. I saw a monk life as the most noble. I guess I am coming to become even better than a monk. It's better, the more spiritual version of a monk. The monks, they cannot connect no spirituality because they are not black. Any black person with dark skin, carbon, born of a black woman, is the only one who can connect to the spirit of nature. If you have fair hair, light skin, nope, born of a white woman or any other colored woman, you ain't going nowhere. Does not work. So that's why I said I'm becoming a spiritual version of a monk. That is why there was black people in all their temples. The temples in the ancient had only us. They worshipped us because we were the only connection to the supreme beings. Oh. Sami wo wiase mo japodi nyinara. Na sami wo wiase mo sekampim nyina, all the money. Oh na me you My brothers and sisters, keep calm. Don't rush yourself and kill yourself for what is vain. Something that is of no value. Something that in few years it will become useless. Every few years something happens. Either recession or a war or disease because of cover-up. People's money have been taken. People have paid a lot of money into something and it's no longer there. And the only thing that the system can do is to crush everything, bring some disaster, make it look like because of the disaster something happened. And then people will accept that the money they have put there is no longer there. That is all it is. This system, we keep going every day and every night, toiling. The Amish community in Canada, they are the richest. They live a great, I know, because I used to have a factory one factory close to me was bought by them. They still continue to make those grandfather clocks the old-fashioned way, and they will have money. Anybody who chases technology will never have money. You'll be poor. The newest gadget, the newest shoes, the newest car. What are you doing? What are you doing? Everything you get is going to the system. You are helping the fueling the system going. And then it will crash unexpectedly. Wipe everything you have. The shoes will get old. The watches will get old. New ones will come. Your phones will get older. In every year, new phone will come. This technology here, that. Aren't we not tired? It is a spin. Nothing but a washing machine. A cyclone. That we are all thrown ourselves into it. Spin, 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 spin. Drop. Spin, drop. That's all it is. What the technology does, comfortability. But with that technology, you can exist. Because I know I have done it before. When all the internet and everything came, I never bothered. Oh, people were encouraging me, go and get it. It would be good for your business, everything. What they did for me was I was able to reach out to people. That's it. I never sold anything on the internet. I never sell to people. I never did advertising, nothing. And still, I keep going. So technology basically have helped me to speak to you. That's all. And to pick up my phone and to do research. That's all, which I could do on a desktop computer as well. My dear. But how much am I paying? I'm paying about $270 monthly for my 2 phones. Then, all my phones, 5 phones for the business, I pay what? $200. Less than that. My dear, Echisign means going back. I have withdrew from this spinning and will craft my own way forward. Yes. I don't fancy nothing in this world anymore. I'm crafting my own life. Hence, talk to you later. I love you. Bye-bye.